Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Today we're going to take a look at search on the EGW Writings 2 app on my iPad, and we're going to learn how to look up a book and page and paragraph number by either using the book title or book code. If you look here on my iPad, you can see that there's on my home screen a series of 9 icons. And then up the top here, you can see the 3 icons on my toolbar. The middle one right here is the magnifying glass. Now, when I tap the magnifying glass, you can see that it straight away opens up the search. I can also open up search by just dragging in from right to left on my screen, and I can close it again either by dragging it back or just tapping on the home screen. So there's a couple of quick little tips on how to just use the basic navigation to get to the side menu, in particular search. So let's go into the search here, and to be able to clear this out, if there's a prior search, you just click on the little X at the end of the text entry box. If you're saying, how do I know how to use all the searches? Well, in the top of the side search bar here, you will notice that it has the back arrow to go back to the main menu. It has a question mark and it has a globe. So if we tap on the menu, this takes us back to the main side menu. I tap on search, it opens it again. If I tap on the globe, it goes into offline search mode, which will only search for the books that I've downloaded and pre-indexed. If I put it back into online search mode, it will search from our servers online. And it's generally much faster to do searches online if you've got a decent internet connection than if you are searching offline. The next thing is let's tap the little question mark icon there. And when I tap that, it brings up the search help. And today we're going to take a look at these first 4 sections, and that is using the search text entry box to go to a book title or a book page. And it's basically very simple to do. I click into my search text entry box and I can type the word education like in the example, and it will take me directly to the book. Now, if you happen to know the book codes, and you can see at the end of each of the paragraphs there, where it lists the ref code, Education 7.1, or the ref code ED 7.1. So if I come up here and say I wanted to go to education just using the book code, I could type ED. If I wanted to go to a particular page, like in our example here, Education 57, I could type education. If I could just click back in there. Let's get to education. Okay, education 57. And I can hit enter or return or click the magnifying glass. And I'll show you in the next one when I click the magnifying glass up here, when I go to a particular paragraph. So if I go education 57.2, notice how I can click on the magnifying glass and it will take me directly there. So what we're going to do is show the desktop view so you can see me clicking here on the text. So I'm going to delete this out, and this time I'm going to use the book code ED, and then I'm going to put a space, and then I'm going to go 57.2. And I'll click on the magnifying glass right here, and it will take me directly to education page 57, paragraph 2. And there's one of the famous quotes there from Ellen White in the book Education. The greatest want of the world is the want of men. Men who will not be bought or sold. Men who in their most inmost souls are true and honest. Men who do not fear to call sin by its right name. Men whose conscience is as true to duty as the needle is to the pole. Men who will stand for the right, though the heavens fall. So we basically quickly learned how to either use the book reference or the title, how to look up a book title, either using the full title or the book code. We also learned how to go to a book and a page. We also looked how to go to a book, page, and paragraph number. So just remember, the quickest way is to type the book code, like ED, followed by a space, and then the page number, like 57. And if you want to go to a particular paragraph, put a dot, and then the paragraph number. So like ED space 57.2. That's the first quick little search tip on how to use search in our first search tutorial today. I hope you learned a couple of quick little helpful points, and may, as you continue to use the EGW Writings 2 app, that you get a daily blessing if you use it daily, or if you come now and again, that some of the tips that I show you can help you in your daily study. And then remember, always go with God. Have a nice day.